3D view commands of VEGA application. There are two commands that gives the ability to what is called spin around objects and view them from different angles. This can be point cloud or ordinary AutoCAD objects. AutoCAD has similar commands, but VEGA provides expanded and more interesting features than the standard AutoCAD commands. The first command is the 3D orbit view by point command. This command provides the ability to use VEGA dynamic pointer to precisely define the point we want to look at and then rotate around it to look at AutoCAD objects from different angles. For example, I want to rotate around this concrete cube. All I have to do is click on it. By pressing and holding down the left mouse button, I just spin around this cube and choose the point of view that I find most convenient. I can snap to the roof of this car and then I can spin around it, getting closer or farther away. This command gives us the ability to snap to more than just point cloud. We can snap to points on regular AutoCAD objects as well. This is a drawing that has other AutoCAD objects besides point cloud. Blocks, lines, texts, etc. It is clear that I can snap with this command to any point of point cloud and rotate around this point, choosing the view I am interested in. For example, around this car. But I can also snap to other AutoCAD objects. Let's turn off the point cloud layer, and we're left with just AutoCAD objects. Let's set the insertion point object snap. I select some block insertion point using the 3D orbit view command. The viewpoint is defined exactly on the insertion point of the block, and around this point I will rotate my view on the object. I can snap to any other block and the same thing will happen. The second command I want to tell you about is the 3D spherical view by point command. There are two parts to this command: dynamic view and preset views. Preset views are predefined viewpoints. They are similar to those inside AutoCAD, but they differ in that they do not change the scale of the image. And, of course, we can precisely define the point to which our view is directed. Let's define this point as the center of our view, and as you can see, it is in the center of the screen. You can choose another preset view angle. I can select a new point to which my view is directed, or I can just press Enter and VEGA will use the previously selected point. We're looking from a different angle right now. The second part of the 3D spherical view by point command is dynamic view, which gives us a great opportunity to precisely define the view of an object. By using VEGA dynamic pointer or by pressing Enter to use the previous point, I define the point of view direction and VEGA will position our view so that the point is in the center of the screen. We have preset views: top, bottom, left, right. But there are also domain settings: up, down, clockwise, counterclockwise. Let's choose the counterclockwise option. And now, by pressing the Enter key, I turn my view counterclockwise and look for a preferred angle of view. I can choose another option and rotate clockwise. By selecting the up or down options and pressing Enter, I can change the angle of view from above or below. If I want to look exactly from the top, I select the top option and I can keep spinning while looking from the top. For example, this is very useful when I want to turn my view so that some line becomes horizontal. Like this one. I'm going to rotate counterclockwise. If I've rotated more than I need to, it's no big deal. I can either quickly make a full circle or I can select the option Rotate Clockwise. Now I can change the angle of view vertically. I can look from the left side, or the right side, or the bottom. I have drawn and contour at the bottom, which we can see when we look at the point cloud from below and can't see when we look at it from above. These two VEGA application commands are very simple and easy ways to set the viewpoint of a three-dimensional object in AutoCAD.